Welcome back to neuraltechanalytics. Today we are diving into a powerful AI visual in Power BI called the Decomposition Tree. How to create a decomposition tree in Power BI. Now imagine you have a report showing total sales and you want to understand what's influencing those numbers. Here the step by step. First, add the visual. On the Power BI canvas, select the decomposition tree visual from the visualizations pane. Then add the metric. Drag your measure, for example, total sales, into the analyze field. Then dimensions. Drag other fields like region, product category, or customer segment into the explain by field. Then start exploring. Click on the plus icon in the visual to expand the tree. You can choose dimensions manually or select AI splits to let Power BI decide the most impactful breakdown. Then interactive analysis. Keep drilling down to find patterns, outliers, and performance insights, all within a few clicks. That's it. Use it when clean, well-modeled data for best results. You can format the tree just like other visuals. Change labels, fonts, and colors. Combine with filters and slicers for even more control over the context. If performance slows down, reduce the number of fields in the explain by area. The decomposition tree isn't just a cool visual, it's a smart way to tell data stories. Whether you are explaining a performance spike or troubleshooting a KPI tip, this tool gives you the clarity you need. Give it a try in your next Power BI report and start uncovering the why behind your numbers. For more hands-on training like this, keep learning with neuraltechanalytics, where we turn data into opportunities. Visit our website to learn more.